Google Colab is a Jupyter notebook environment running on cloud. What it means is that when you log on to Colab and click on Connect, you basically get connected to a virtual computer which will run your Python code and return you the values. So for example, if I type a is equal to 100 plus 12, print a, and then run this code, the data will be sent over the internet to the server where 100 plus 12 will be calculated and then sent back to my computer over the internet. And then this 112 will be displayed in the output just below the snippet of the code. Now this calculation was performed by a CPU, as we can see here. If you want to change, you can choose a GPU. Just go here and change runtime type. If available, it will connect you to a GPU. But we don't need a GPU right now, so we'll continue. Now suppose we want to calculate 40% of 112. We can write print 0.4 into a in the same cell or create a new section by clicking here. Writing code in different sections allows you to run the code one by one. If you want to give headings to this section of code, click here and then type the text you want. So you can arrange your code properly using the markdown cells in Colab. You can make the text bold, small, large, insert images, lists, and then many other things. Now, one of the best things about Colab is it comes pre-installed with a lot of libraries, and you can directly import them by just writing import followed by the library name. It saves you the hassle of installing them. But we cannot work with local files on our PC using Colab. For that, we need to upload our files to the memory of the virtual computer where our code is running. And you can see how much memory is available in the virtual computer over here. To upload your file, just drag and drop it here and it will be uploaded in the memory of the virtual computer. Once the files are in memory, we can directly refer to them by copying their paths and use them in the code. So one way to bring files in this memory is by direct upload. But there are other ways to bring data here. We can bring data from Google Drive by clicking here and then logging into Google Drive. We can bring data from Kaggle using this code. We can even bring data directly from the internet using this code. For detailed video, check out these links. One very important thing about the memory of this virtual computer or environment is that it will be cleared once we close the Colab notebook or it gets disconnected. So if you have important output data, you should save it to your Google Drive or download it to your local PC to use it the next time. A recently launched feature in Colab is the variable inspector. This allows you to see the current value of your variables. You can see the value of variables changing when we run this code. This helps a lot while debugging our code. A very cool feature is that if we add titles in the text cell or the markdown cell, we can collapse the sections so that it becomes easy to scroll through. It is useful when the notebook becomes very large. Once you have written the entire code in the Google Colab notebook, you can share this with someone by clicking share and adding their Gmail. You can even download this notebook as a IPyNB file or a Python file in case you want to keep a backup. So I hope the tutorial was useful. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comments below.